Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you're hanging in there, and I particularly hope you're finding a way to move your bodies and sort of clear out some pent-up energies. We get stagnant and then our mind gets going, and what we really need to do is move our bodies. I am going to work on some tutorials and post them on the YouTube channel for you to kind of refine. Maybe take a little work break, have a little crow workshop in your own home, have a chaturanga workshop. We might get into some blanket slides, but before I get to that, I wanted to do a little snippet about blocks. So we're having a block party right now. Thank you for joining me in my block party. I'm going to guess that some of you don't have blocks at home, and perhaps you want to order some online because blocks are a really awesome tool as part of your yoga practice. There's many options to choose from. This is a lightweight foam block, and it's nice to carry around because I'm sure when you get back to the yoga studio, you're going to want to bring your own props with you. Great idea. But the good side is that it's lightweight and easy to carry, won't add more bulk to your transportation, if you will. The little bit of the downside is as you progress in your practice and we begin to learn some strengthening poses, some arm balance kind of things, sometimes we'll use blocks as our tools and we'll use them with our hands. And if you have a more sturdy option, such as the cork block, then it's a little less pressure on the wrists. So when you want to get some core strength, L-sits, we'll get to that. But my point is, these got a little bit of a give. And sometimes when you're holding those poses, creating some strength for a while, it creates a little jamming in your wrists. So the cork is a little bit heavier. The foam is lighter and they're generally cheaper. These run about 20. This, I believe, is a 3-inch block. I encourage you to do 3-inch versus 2-inch. But you choose. Manduka also has a great in-between option. Not quite as heavy as a cork, not quite as light as the foam. And it's their recycled foam option. It is a little sturdier and it does not have as much give as this type of a foam block. They run $16 to $18 a block. So you choose, kind of explore my thoughts for you. I would either do cork or that Manduka recycled. They call it foam, but it's firmer than your $5 foam block out there in the general market. Until your block arrives, what could you do? Well, perhaps somewhere in the bowels of your house, you haven't thrown away your 1957 copy of Encyclopedia of Accounting Systems. This was my grandfather's. Don't be making any other assumptions about my age. Thank you very much. It is also about equal in size to John Jake's Love and War. Maybe you have some school books in your basement, something like that. But books are a safe alternative for a little bit. Gives you a little leverage, a little bit of height. We can play with them. They can work in the meantime. Another option, maybe a stool, a little bit. Depends on, okay? It's not going to be as sturdy, but it would be a great guide for your standing poses. Stool, Warrior 3, boom, boom. It works. I might use it tomorrow when I'm doing the crow video. Option C, D or E, wherever we are on the scale, is a badass foam roller. Really, you just need height and a little bit of stability. Now, obviously, we're not going to balance on these the same way we would with our blocks, but just some thoughts. So get out there or get online, order your block options, or dig through your house and find some alternatives. I hope you're having some good days. There's not much sunshine right now in Atlanta, but the sun comes back. It will. I promise you the sun will come back again. Have an awesome day. Namaste.